welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft glam look using Juvia's Place, the Warriors palette. And I'm going to be starting off with this soft brown. I'm going to put it in my crease, and I am using a fluffier brush so it can go on soft and smooth. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with a even fluffier brush so I can make sure that it is blended in perfectly and I don't have any harsh lines. For my transition color, I'm going to be using a dark orange, more like a burnt orange bronzy color. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with the color I used for my crease. And I'm going to blend it in with my fluffier brush. So once again, there won't be any harsh lines. I took a, a neutral tannish light color. I'm putting that under my brows so it can remain nice and light. I don't like it to be too dark close to my brow. So I'm going to go ahead and line underneath my brow with that. And I'm going to blend it out so it can be a nice smooth blend. I'm going to use a darker brown for my eyeliner, and I am using a flattened eyeshadow brush to do that. Next, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Galaxy palette on my lid, and I am going to be using a icy white color. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my lid, and I'm going to keep coating it until it gets to the point where I like it. I'm using some mascara from Maybelline. I believe it's called Snapscara. I'm doing that before I add my falsies. Next is foundation. I'm going to be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and I'm going to tap that all over my face. And I'm going to use a sponge, and I'm going to wet the sponge with my spray bottle like 2 or 3 times, and then tap that into my skin. I'm going to set that with NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in Sienna. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer from MAC Studio Fix, and I'm going to basically use that under my eyes. I'm only going to do under my eyes this time because this is a more of a soft type glam. To set this look, I will be using Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to set my concealer with a fluffy brush. After I set it with the Maybelline, I'm going to go in with my loose setting powder from Morphe. And I'm going to go ahead and place the powder on top of that. I am not baking. I don't like the ashy or the cakey look that it leaves after baking. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a fluffy brush and brush it right on off. Now I'm going to use some setting spray to set what I've already done. Moving on, I'm going to be using some blush from Juvia's Place. It is the Saharan palette, volume 2, I believe. And I'm going to be using a soft purple. And right after that, I'm going to contour using NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation. And it is in the shade of Cocoa. For my highlight, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place, the highlighter volume 2, and I'm going to line my cheekbones right on top of where I put the blush, and I'm going to add some to the bridge and the tip of my nose, and my forehead and my chin. For my lips, I'm going to be using a lip liner I got from the beauty supply. And for my gloss, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Caramel. And I'm just going to blend those together until I get it how I want it. I'm going to finish everything off with some setting spray by Morphe, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.